Here are the top 3 things that you need to look at when evaluating multifamily properties to invest in. Number 1 is the location. There's lots of things that we can improve on an investment property, but the location is not one of those things. So this has to be top of mind. We're looking for properties in desirable locations, strong demand for rental housing. Some of the most important factors to consider are things like proximity to employment centers, transportation, amenities within the area, the quality of schools in the area is big. All of those will impact the overall property value and the rent potential within. Number 2 is the property's condition. Like, what is the physical condition of the property? We look at the age, the maintenance history. We evaluate potential repair and renovation costs that will be needed. This is crucial to estimating potential returns and the investments needed to achieve those returns. And then number 3 is the rental income and expenses. See, the last and most important factor that we have to analyze are the property's current and potential rental income, vacancy rates, operating expenses, and then potential for future rent growth, right? Considering factors such as rental market trends, utilities, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, all those things, man, that's what we do. See, here at MF Capital Partners, we have a whole team of professionals that are looking at numbers, they're looking at properties. We underwrite hundreds and hundreds of deals before we bring them your way, looking at those things in specific markets, in specific areas, so that we can bring you the best deals. So if you're interested in investing, DM me the word invest, and we can take care of all that stuff for you.